Hello, everyone. This is Donna Roberts, Senior Customer Success Coach at Bright MLS. Did you guys know that you can get our monthly and weekly market reports delivered right to your inbox from Dr. Lisa Sturdivant and her research team? So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. What we're going to do from Bright is go up under our name and click there and go into our accountant settings. Once your accountant settings comes up, we're going to scroll down to your communication preferences. It's right in the middle of the page. Click on Communication Preferences, and you can manage the emails that you receive from Bright. So if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see you have your Bright News here and then all your market research. So your weekly market report, monthly market report, and your market research newsletter. All you have to do is toggle those over to on, and they will be delivered directly to your inbox. So you won't have to remember to go and look for those every week or every month. They'll automatically come to your inbox for you to easily view and share with your clients. There's also some other things in there you can take a look at to make sure that you receive notifications from Bright as well. So again, go into your accountant settings, your communication preferences, and toggle those market reports on so that they'll be delivered right to your inbox from now on.